the left, a $10,000 original. On the right, a replica that costs just a few $100. Today, we are letting pure data to the talking. Over the next few minutes, I am putting them head-to-head across 4 dimensions: visual, acoustics, tactile feel, and physical space. I give you 3 seconds. Can you naked eye tell which is real? 3, 2, 1. Honestly, the visual difference lies was bridged long ago. From the overall wrist princess to the metallic stream, there's no noticeable difference. That's when the macro lens steps in. Only under 20x magnification does the true texture of the metal wrist reveal itself. Take the iconic laser edge crown. What's the absolute gold standard for laser tracking? Yeah, even credit art to this magnification, the line between the two remains blurry. So, since our eyes are so easy to fool, let's close them and listen to how they sound. The acoustic feedback is almost identical. So what about the tactile feel between your fingertips? The CQ dampening, the mechanical engagement. CNC curling technology today is far colder and precise than we ever imagined. The edge chamfering, once a heavily criticized flaw, now delivers a straight-up, terrifying report card. But real talk, there's still a gap in finishing. To put it simply, its line once was polished 7 times, while the other was only polished 3. Setting some reticence aside, let's hand it over to Cole for rating motrice. Tolerance with fraction of a millimeter. Honestly, different batch of Genuine Rolex probably have variation like this anyway. Now, nobody's using solid gold on a red. This lightweight gap purely comes down to the density of different metals. So, we've covered the exterior, but no matter how great it looks outside, the Calipers inside is the true heart of Swiss watchmaking. Next up, let's pull open the hood and perform hard theory. The Calipers 3135, robust, precise, built like a tank, the foundation of modern Rolex, often called the king of automated movements. And this is the customized Dandong 3135, reverse engineered since 2013, and only through multiple iterations. The factories have completely mastered this architecture. Now, for the biggest difference between the two, the regular Calipers runs a Free-Sprung balance, while VS went with an in-depth regulated setup to keep costs down. Regulated balance allows hairspring length. Free-Sprung allows balance with width. They are two completely different engineering routes. Rolex got Free-Sprung, while RES still do in-depth regulation. At the end of the day, it's just a choice forced by baristas. Yeah, this tiny structural gap gets practically erased in real-world daily wear. If they are the visuals, the acoustics, the tactile feel, and even the raw internal data, and yet the real deal still takes the edge. And then there's this brutal macro execution. Yes, if money is no object, the real deal is still king. But the moment we step back and return to the real world, is anyone putting a macro lens on your wrist to inspire playing crispness? Is anyone pulling out digital clippers to measure your last? And is anyone actually unscrewing your Caseback? So, are you dropping over 10 grand for the sliver of microscopic dignity? Or spending a few $100 to unlock the exact same social status? Sound off in the comments, let me know.